It's like putting a pacifier in your mouth to meet your unmet emotional needs you're too afraid to ask for and too afraid to feel. And once you understand that, everything about your relationship with sugar changes. I'm Erin, a recovered sugar addict, but it's not really about the sugar, it's about relief. Relief that you don't have to feel those unwanted feelings even just for a moment. Before we talk about those strategies, I would love for you to release something right now. You're not weak and you're not undisciplined, and guess what? You're not even addicted to sugar. You are simply a woman who found the most accessible, immediate, inexpensive form of relief available to you 24 hours a day. And you've simply used it to survive moments in your life that are just too heavy to sit with. And that does not make you have a character flaw, that simply makes you human. The 3 strategies I'm about to talk about are those that I used on my private cooking clients when I used to work as a private chef, but more importantly, I used them on myself to break free from my own relentless sugar addiction. So stay tuned. Strategy 1 is about flooding your body with strategic hydration. And I'm not talking about downing copious glasses of water throughout the day. I'm talking about repatterning your pleasure pathway with cellular sweetness. I love fruit, and I also love dark, leafy green juices as they are flooded with vitamins and minerals. I know eating more fruit for a lot of women can be scary. I was terrified to start eating more fruit because why? We're all told it will make us fat, right? But when eaten strategically, like I lay out in my complimentary weight loss guide, you'll be able to eat more of it without guilt, fear, or shame. Nothing, and I mean nothing, has moved the needle more for me to break my sugar addiction than eating more fruit. Strategy 2 is about a liver emotional release. And you might be wondering, what the heck does my liver have to do with sugar addiction? Well, actually a lot. In traditional Chinese medicine, the liver governs blood sugar regulation and emotional detox. So when your liver is congested with unprocessed emotions, resentment, frustration, and the sadness you've swallowed instead of felt, it struggles to actually regulate your blood sugar effectively. And when your blood sugar regulation is compromised, you often crave sugar as a quick dopamine hit to override that heaviness that you feel. One way I support my liver's emotional detox is through this Liver Support Emotional Blend by Vibrant Blue Oils. The first time I used it, I had so many little crying spells over the course of a few days that felt like such a relief. Another thing I do to support my liver is to consume herbal teas and tinctures that support detox. Herbs like nettle, milk thistle, artichoke leaf, burdock, dandelion, schizandra. Lately, I've been brewing my own nettle tea, and I'm loving the subtle earthiness, and I feel a lot more grounded when I drink it. It's really a lovely mild flavor. Strategy 3 has to do with food, my favorite, and it's about building 1 or 2 meals in your day around fruit, fiber, and protein. Fiber slows down everything, your blood sugar response, the all too familiar spike and crash cycle that sends you straight to a cookie. The fruit brings such a natural sweetness, living water, and minerals that actually satisfy. And then the protein anchors everything, keeping you full, your blood sugar stable, and keeping a steady mood. This trinity looks like a chia seed parfait layered with protein powder and fresh fruit puree, maybe an acai bowl or a smoothie bowl, and a salad that's so beautiful and so incredibly nourishing that it becomes the thing you crave instead of the thing you're trying to replace. Remember this, you want to hydrate strategically, you want to release what your liver is holding on to, and you want to build meals that are so nourishing, so deeply satisfying that there's nothing left to reach for. You're not craving the cookie or the brownie or the piece of cake anymore. That is how you create a lifestyle that you are obsessed with, not deprived by. If you love these videos, please let me know down in the comments if you'd like more talking about how to release your sugar cravings, how to build a plant-based lifestyle that is personal to you and your needs. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.